Is it possible to make 11,000 using price action? In this video, I'm going to show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate, whether you are a beginner trader or experienced trader. Platform settings is going to be a little bit different today, so I will be using, as usual, Japanese candlestick 1 minute time frame, but I'm gonna be using the flag mode. This is the standard, so I'm gonna switch it right here to flag mode, and this is how you have to do it. And make sure that this side here is on 00. You don't have to trouble this side, it's gonna be natural in sync with the time. So yeah, oh, and make sure this is on 1 minute also. Okay, and that's it. Let's find some trade. Okay, so I'm gonna take this trade right here. This trade is full of reasons, guys. I'm gonna explain this trade to you real quick. Let me see what's on this side here. Okay, I'm not gonna take that trade yet. Let me explain this. So guys, you realize the price came at the supply area, right? The demand, I should say, came here. It gave me a American candle right here, and then there was a gap down. So now the gap is filling, and also we are coming from the supply area, guys. You see how this trade here look very clean. This is what I mean, guys. You know, in trading, it's not impossible to be profitable. As you can see, I'm showing you guys live winning trade right here. Okay, so you know it's possible, but the thing is this: you need the knowledge and you need guidance. Okay, nice. Okay, my entry is a little late, but I think it will be fine. I'm on the line. Right, guys, this trade is very unique. Pay attention here. You notice that there is a lower low right here compared to the previous low. This is telling us something. This means that this candle wanted to be a red one. This one is, wanted to be a red one. So it's a very high chance this will be a red one, right? Then I noticed the price, well, it didn't close inside of the supply, but it's rejecting from it. Right, you see that? Because we just reached the zone and I'm entering at the zone. So let's see what's gonna happen here, because everything is in my favor. So let's see. All right, this was a draw, guys. Let me take 2 more trade right there. Seems as if I lose one and win one. It's okay, it's normal. Don't be afraid to lose trades. Let me tell you something, guys. Trading is not a magic one. It's about consistently practice, and the main thing, you need guidance, because I yet to see a person become profitable without proper guidance. It's impossible. It's impossible. You need proper guidance from someone who is profitable already, and that's the key to really successfully trade, especially in binary option where it's very competitive. Okay, because remember that we are putting our own expiration, so that makes it a much more difficult. So therefore you definitely need guidance, right? Because you need somebody to be like, okay, this was right, this was wrong, and then you grow and then you become profitable. Okay, that's it. It's very simple. It's simple logics, right? You need guidance, then you become profitable. Oh, okay, all right. Let me mark this up to show you guys why I took this right here. Remember that when you're looking for supply and demand, you want to look for an engulfing candle. Then you mark the zone of the engulfing, and then you take a trade at the zone, or yeah, in the zone or at the zone. Now, guys, I lost this trade because of my bad entry. You notice the price closed below my zone. You see that? This is how accurate supply and demand is. It's crazy. It's crazy. All right, this one here is pretty decent. Let me see what's happening right here. No, I'm not gonna take that. But this one, the price closed right inside of my demand area. All right. Remember that we are looking for an engulfing candle. You see, we find one right there. Okay. For those who don't know what is an engulfing candle, I have spoke about it many times. It's usually whenever you see one candle engulfs, like hovers another candle entirely. Okay, that's a engulfing candle. Once you find that, you mark it, and then when the price come inside of it, you can take a trade. Okay. Okay, this entry here is, this was a rush entry, guys. I haven't traded for about a week now, so my entries are not good. I'm not lying, I'm very impatient. I'm noticing that, which is not good. So let me find the previous trade I took. Oh, here it is. Okay, it's close by. Alright, I'm waiting for this price to come down. I wanted to take two trades one time to show you guys how powerful supply and demand is, but unfortunately this one is not coming down. This trade here is playing around, but this is a short shot for sure. I can see that because we reached the supply area and there was a continuation time reversal candle, so therefore this is a short shot. There's no way they could let me lose this. As you see, it's a win. All right, that's it. All right, I took this one here because I saw that the price tried to break this demand here. It couldn't break the demand. Then there was a green candle form right here. I'm in the direction of the trend. Everything is lining up very beautiful for me. Plus I had a discount entry here for a reason, because I realized that this candle, green candle, wasn't so strong. So now I use a discount entry just to give me a safer entry. Now let me be clear, discount entries are not confluences, so it's not going to automatically save a trade. It just makes you feel much comfortable. Okay, I think I speak about discount trading in my previous videos also, especially when I'm trading supply and demand. And discount trading is when you just try to enter at a lower area than your regular area. You see that? That's what I meant. Alright, I'm gonna take one more trade on this here. I was very hesitant to take my trade here, guys. I don't know why. I think I should have waited for the candle to close in the zone properly. Okay, so that trade was a draw right there. I'm gonna take, oh, all right, this one is beautiful, nice. The only thing against me right here is the red green pattern. You could see that we have the supply area here. Because the time is gonna expire, I'm not gonna mark it, I'm just gonna explain. You see that? Check that rejection, guys, super sharp, right? So if you made it this far to the end of this video, that means you will enjoy this video and the screen right here.